Dirt Connections, right here, right now.
White Line Equipment in Manassas. Look what they built. It's beautiful. My new hitch with trailer brakes for my equipment trailer. Look at that. That is one beautiful, perfect job. It looks awesome. If you want some welding, snow plows, listen, just contact Donnie at White Line Equipment in Manassas. They do awesome work, man. White Line Truck Equipment, 9105 Industry Drive, Manassas Park, Virginia. Contact them for excellent service. Phone number is going to be 703-330-1307. WhiteLineTruckEquipment.com. Talk to Donnie. He will hook you up, baby. Look at that. I'm going to hook up to my trailer. Thank you, Donnie. You're the man, baby.
Dirt Connections is right here, right now. Dirt Connections, the professionals.